So it's our first time actually exhibiting at London Design Fair. We've been coming here for the last 2 years and then checking the quality of the show, other brands, other exhibitors, and we really fell in love with the quality. And then we thought it can be a really good place for us, for what we produced, and then for the brand's ethos and all of that, yeah. So if you're going back, it's like I started everything 7 years ago. And then it all started with like my obsession with plywood and bending and shaping the plywood basically. And it's slowly building up the brand and then going to different trade shows and slowly building up our client base, everything. Then we get a lot of inspiration by like Nordic designs from Scandinavian, very old Alvar Aalto, Finnish, Scandinavian countries. And then slowly we expanded our range from products, and then we went to like bespoke, that we can do the entire house kind of renovations from, we can do a full fit out of the house. That's what we have House of Lozi here for the first time actually, that we can do from different areas, from bedrooms, kitchens to like a dining, and we can do from like a tiny coaster to like a huge projects like to developments, to like a kitchens, wardrobes and everything. So that's the gradual kind of step for Lozi to grow basically, yeah. To be honest, we always wanted to keep it like very simple and minimal, but really bringing in quality too, because in 30s and 40s a lot of great designers and architects, they use plywood and they achieved amazing things with it. And then I felt like for a few decades, we kind of lost that connection, and then designers, they didn't use plywood as much in 70s, 80s and 90s, and then it's good to see plywood is coming back to the market again. It's becoming because it's such a fantastic material, and just the idea of just shaping it, having new ideas, new tools, so it's good to see plywood coming back to everyone's taste, and it's very tactile. You can produce so many different variety of like products basically with it, and then in terms of finishes, look and quality, it's the one of the top basically sheet material, that kind of thing, yeah. It's been really good so far. We had really good feedback. So we had from developers, interior designers, individual buyers. It's a bit of a mix of everything, and it's good to come here. We've been working on this project for a year. It's good to just put it out there and then just show it to the world basically and see what people say. But we got really good feedback where it's like 4 or 5 of us on the stand, and most of the time we are busy, all of us just talking to someone. And people really like the idea that we produce everything in London, in East London, in Hackney. So it's not produce outside of the country or something. We are really passionate designer makers. So yeah, it's all done by us here, and then it's so good to bring all the designer makers from the workshop to here, so they are in contact with the audience and they can express their passion about furniture and plywood basically, yeah. I think so. I believe that is a big part. I mean, the more it goes, we realize locally produced products is coming back to life again. So the idea that people don't have to go and buy furniture from outside of London or just go to a retail shop or just an online shop. They have no idea where it's been made, has been made, and what the material is inside. But at workshop, we open the doors to public saying, come and see our process. We want to show that process to our clients and tell them what we do. We're so proud to say, look, everything is made by us, you know, and 99% when people come inside and they're really amazed that, wow, there's a workshop functional in centre of London making amazing things for them basically, yeah. So we're not the biggest team, it's just a few of us, but everyone's extremely efficient. We all have coming from different backgrounds, mainly from design, manufacturing and being carpenters. So it's a very good mix of people, and luckily they are really passionate about their furniture, and then but everyone has this kind of a design making background basically, yeah.